up, everybody? My cabinets are dark, and my kids hate it. My wife hates it. I hate it. Whenever we try to look inside to find something, it's practically impossible. You can't see anything. So I decided to solve the problem by buying some cabinet lights. And looking online, I found there's so many different options. The wired option, a switch option, a wire and switch option. But I need something simple. I'm lazy. I want to do something simple, easy, and quick. So I found these. To install these, you simply pull and stick, 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 pull, stick, pull, pull, stick, pull, stick, pull, pull, stick. Wow, sorry, I have no idea what just happened. I think I got a little carried away. This project was exceptionally hard. I don't have any hands, so I'm going to ask my assistant to help me out. What are you doing?
I'm putting on Zit cream.
That does not look like Zit cream. Hurry up, we need to install some lights.
I went ahead and installed these, and it took less than 2 minutes to install 6 lights. I couldn't believe it. This was the fastest DIY project I've ever done. Or so I thought. After a couple of days, we started finding this, and this, and this, and all these issues. The lights were falling off. That wasn't an issue with the magnet. That was an issue with the sticky stuff that the magnet was stuck to. Once we started having the lights fall off, I knew there was an issue. And part of it could be just my cabinets. Look at the texture on these cabinets. The texture on these cabinets are very rough. However, I did see other reviews on this product that other people were having the same issue. I have tried 3 different approaches to get this light to stick, and 2 of them were working very well. The first thing I tried was just putting a screw up there. The magnet could stick to the screw. I figured that would work. Unfortunately, the light still kept falling off. There wasn't enough contact with the magnet and the screw. The second option, which worked really well, was to use some double-sided tape that I had from another project. I just put that on the same side as the other sticky, not sticky stuff, and it is still holding up today. It's about a month later. The third option took a little more work. I ended up buying other magnets for another project, but I used those magnets to attach to this magnet. The pole on this magnet is the same pole on the light, so the magnets don't actually align, but it worked pretty well. In fact, I think that one will hold the longest, seeing that nothing really sticks to these cabinets forever. So how do these lights work? Well, they come with 3 options. There's a day mode, a night mode, and an always on mode. If you choose the day mode, these lights will come on anytime it detects motion. The night mode will come on anytime it detects motion and it detects darkness, or rather, there isn't any light to shine on it. I went with this option in my cabinets. It worked pretty well. The always on mode is just that. It's always on. The remote is nice, but I realized an issue. Just like a TV remote where you need to shine the remote to the TV, you need to do the same thing with this remote. It needs to make a visual contact with the light, otherwise it won't turn on. Now that's an issue with my lights because they are inside a cabinet and I don't want to bend down every time to shine the remote up there. So if you install these under your cabinets, under your stairs, wherever you might be installing them and it doesn't have that visual contact, then this is not going to work. All in all, I think these lights are pretty great. The kids seem to like it. Whenever we open the cabinets, they do turn on as long as they detect motion, and it is so nice to open up the cabinet and see what I'm trying to grab. If you are interested in getting some of these lights, we'll leave a link in the description below.
Now, check out these solar lights for your backyard.